When you're fighting or sparring, it's not always about power. It's about timing, position, speed. When I talk about speed in sparring or fighting, it's not about if you try to punch me, I will and I will be in another position and वहां से मैं आपको punch करूंगा. In fighting, speed does not mean that I am faster. It does not mean like that. In fighting or sparring, speed means I am at the right place in the right time. It's about positioning. If my positioning and distancing is better than yours, you will feel, wow, I'm fast. So it's not about speed, it's about position. It's not about power, it's about accuracy. Because in a fight, you won't get time to do. You will have to find out space in between that chaos, and maybe because in a real situation it's never that easy, you will not have that comfort, so maybe you will have to there is something else, there is his guard, there is that positioning, there is pressure. So all you can do is be a little faster, focus on your accuracy and technique, but it's not always about the technique. This is good for basic training, but sometimes you also need to try even that works. So what am I trying to say today? Power is not important in fighting. No, I'm not saying that, don't misunderstand. Of course it's important, and if you are in a beginner level, this video is kind of not for you. You should practice your basics, whatever your instructor is telling you. Work on your power, work on your speed, of course, because that basic should be there, right? Like for example, if you're a karate guy, you need to punch straight like this with power, with speed, right? You need to get this done like 10,000 times. After that, I'm talking about fighting or sparring. It's not always about power. You might have seen these combat sports, because nowadays all these fights are available on TV and internet. आप देखते होंगे most of these knockouts in the middle of these punching and all, they're not full power punches. Maybe they'll be in slow motion, दिखाएंगे कि सिर्फ इतना है और हाथ ऐसा लगा and the other guy is knocked out, because it was there at the right time, at the right spot. Timing, positioning, accuracy. मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है, आप बिगिनर लेवल में ऐसा टाइम लेके पावर से स्पीड से पंच करते हैं, इट्स ओके. लेकिन असल में इतना फैसिलिटी नहीं है हमारे पास, इतना टाइम भी नहीं, वो भी हिल रहे हैं, हम भी हिल रहे हैं, सब कुछ चल रहा है, राइट? सो कुछ ऐसा होगा, इसके बीच में आपके पास टाइम नहीं है कि आप. So this is an exercise you can use for developing that skill of trying to hit the target at the right time. Positioning important है, so it need not be yahoo. It can just be here, here, here. So let me tell you what I am using. I am using a basketball, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, और यहाँ से ऐसे रस्सी से ये ऊपर डंडे के ऊपर से हमने ऐसे टांग दिया. इतना बड़ा apparatus आपको नहीं चाहिए. You don't need any of this. You can just go for some like one towel like this. You're tying somewhere, and another one over here. Maybe 2 ropes is also enough, right? 2 ropes just hanging like this, and the first one you swing, the second one you try to hit. So the first one resembles or represents somebody's guard or somebody's movement. कोई आपको ऐसे थोड़ी टारगेट देगा, उसका हाथ बीच में होगा, उसका मूवमेंट वगैरह होगा. सो आपका एक प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, आपको थोड़ा सा यूज टू हो जाएगा. सामने वाली रस्सी को छोड़ के उसके थ्रू जाना है, उसका एक ब्लाइंड स्पॉट होता है उसके अंदर से. सो आई एम सेइंग इवन समथिंग लाइक दिस इज इनफ. You can move this one and try to hit here one, this one here, and like whatever technique you want to practice, you can do this. बहुत ये सब नहीं चाहिए, इससे भी हो सकता है. Now with this exercise we are trying to break the barrier of doing this perfect technique, like you are taught straight punching like this, perfect. It need not be like that. Of course you have to perfect the technique, लेकिन ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है वैसा ही करना है. For the first exercise you need to take a basic simple technique and practice only that, and it need not be correct technique, right? Whenever you find time, it can be straight here. I am not doing correct like whatever you're taught. I'm doing just this, that's enough. So pick up one basic technique. Let's go with front hand punch or jab or kisami-suki or whatever you call it in your sports. Similarly, you can practice all the other techniques also, like now we did basic front hand or backhand punch. You can do all the other techniques जितने भी हैं आपके खजाने में, सारी निकालिए. Hook punching or like slipping and punching or whatever, or uppercuts or whatever you can practice, like kicks also you can try in this. Of course, the best way would be you get some friends and practice sparring with them. Nothing is better than that. That is like a human experience, right? इसमें आपको imagine करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ किसी का हाथ है, उसके बीच में से आपको gap मिला, उससे आप punch कर रहे हैं. But if you have a real person, that's always better. And what I wanted to say is like this is not only for that. Like if we are playing this game and like you find some point or you see a gap or you see like an opportunity and I throw something, you see an opportunity, you go down and hit me. Of course this will help you in that. बट नॉट ओनली दिस, ये पोजिशनल अवेयरनेस और चांस मिलने पे कैसे गैप के अंदर से करना है. नॉट ओनली दैट, दिस कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर लाइक रिप्रेजेंटिंग somebody's attacks also. Like this can be a straight punch. If you just if you have a ball or something like this, just keep it rotating like this. So if you keep it coming and this represents an attack or a punch, you can practice all your counters like this. If this is a punch, right, you're always doing this and you're back, and you're doing this and you're back, right? Imagine this is an attack and you can do accordingly. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. कहने का मतलब इतना ही है कि हमेशा आपको ऐसा करने की जरूरत नहीं. समटाइम्स इवन दिस विल वर्क. It's not about speed, it's about position, it's not about power, it's about timing and accuracy. So practice. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Color dhoti, if you like what I'm wearing, you can order this online. Link is in description. And Karate TV online class, link is in description. For me on Instagram, link is in description. सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. छोटा वाला चैनल है कराटे टीवी भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. और वेबसाइट कराटे टीवी, विजिट आवर वेबसाइट karate.tv.in. बस.